We are looking at a Stiga lawnmower. It's a Stiga Combi 53 SEQ. This belongs to a colleague of mine and it has worked good, but all of a sudden it could no longer start. And this model has no pull start. It's electric start with a lithium-ion battery, and you you push this button here to start it. So we started to check it out. We started by checking the motor, connecting the electric motor to plus and minus, and it spins, so no problem there. We checked the voltage, it is fine from the battery. We also checked this starter thing here, and what is strange is that if you don't push the button, there is like an open lead. There's no connection in here. But if you put it, if you push it here, you get a reading of 50 kilo ohms. So it's like 50,000 ohms, which sounds pretty weird, but the control module for this thing is here. And I'm guessing this is some kind of like a MOSFET relay or something like that. So it probably only needs that 50 kilo ohm to realize, hey, I should send power to the starter. There is also a small micro switch here, which you push that when you're holding this handle. So we started to look into this relay thing here, and it is mounted right about here on a metal frame with the battery like this, so it's quite open, and it is in this small little box with no capsulation, no gasket, no nothing. And electronics and water don't mix very well. We could see that there are some traces of rust down here on these screw holes, and when I open it you can also see some, looks like something has happened here. So then we thought, okay, let's just get a new relay. But since this is special, it cost about 800 Swedish kroners, which is, I don't know, $80, something like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build this with a normal relay. Doesn't cost more than maybe $5, and another push button at the handle. This is how the system is set up right now. You can see we have minus going through this to the black wire here, and these two are actually connected inside here. I did some measurements, so I do have minus here. This one goes up to the start switch. On the other side, this won't be used by me. It was used by that special relay. I think it's I do believe that relay will shut off the starting function if this battery is too low, but we will not have that fancy function. So we have the other wire here is minus, goes to the starter, and then this is plus, goes to the starter. Plus here goes to the micro switch that's over here. this one here. This is all that I'm using now of the original system. The relay that I have here is a switching relay, like you can find on if you put on extra lights or something, and it's got a fuse also. So in to the relay I want plus here, and then out from the relay through the fuse I put this wire to that micro switch. There are two cables that control the coil inside the relay. This one should have plus and this one should have minus. So I am going to connect this one here. I'm just doing it like temporary now, like this, so it has contact there. This one, ground cable, I put here because we have ground on the other side, or minus on this side, so if I put that switch on here I can make this relay turn on. For diagnostics, I had this little cable somewhere and I keep losing it. Ah, here it is. So here's my temporary switch, and the switch, you know, it just closes this loop here. So when I put this together, you can hear the relay turning on. Spark plug connector. So let's remove that one. I need to close the micro switch with this handle here. So let's see what happens. Haha, really simple wiring. I'm just gonna make it nice and permanent and install a switch. Åh nej, klart under här. The relay, it interferes with the fuel tank when you're trying to put this together, so I'll put the relay on the other side. I want to protect this a little bit. everything is together here now. There's some covers here to put on, so that's why these are not 100% fastened. But I need to make that start button now. So if everything is correctly connected, there should be like a clicking noise from this relay. Huh. When I pull the safety lever, it should turn the engine around. Ah. This screw is a little bit too short. Hmm. Boop. Hmm. So these sizes are, of course, a little bit special, and I'm modifying these to fit in here. I just press this one together, and then I think I need to press this together a little bit. No, I have to expand this a bit. Is that possible? Yeah, it is. Ah, okay. I know this is the totally wrong shoes, but I'm just gonna see if it starts. and if it does, I'll change shoes and try test it a little bit here. It doesn't seem to be going forward. All right, I have to try some lawn moving. This is actually the first time this year. All right, it seems to work really good this, and I will add a receipt from the place where I got this. It's in Swedish, of course, but yeah, I think you know. Yeah, I think you understand the basic principle, and it's not hard to do. A couple of hours if you know your way around some electric stuff, and saving 700 or $70. I think it's worth it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.